Hey guys, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for new arrival at Car City Inc. A beautiful family minivan, a Toyota Sienna, a 2008. Another beautiful example of nice and reliable vans from Japan. Toyota at its best. This one is XLE model. Only one previous owner. Very well maintained. It's got a lot of service history on the Carfax report. Beautiful, in and out. It came from Texas. No rust. So if you guys looking for the minivan for all your family, for those nice summer trips, you have it here at Car City Inc. Nice tires and dreams all around. Just came from the detail shop. Fresh oil change. As you can see, it's got the power leather seats. Very minimum wear and tear. Looks very nice. It's heated as well, which is good for winter. There is a climate control, AM, FM radio here. There is a Bluetooth in this car. 118,000 miles, low miles for 2008. It's got sunroof. It's got power gate, lift gate, power doors. Let's look on the second row here. Captain seats. Again, being very well kept, as you can see, very clean, very good condition. Those rear seats as well. AC blows cold. It does have a DVD too, so it's very nice for your kids, or for older guys too. Beautiful, nice family van located in Palatine at Car City Inc. We have a very nice selection of used vehicles, around 140-150 cars in stock, minivans, European cars, domestic cars, pickup trucks. You can find it at our website, carcitychicago.com. And if you guys looking for used cars, again, stop by. We have a free copy of Carfax for all vehicles. We have 3 very nice salesperson here, mechanics. So just stop by and you can drive this car or other vehicle without any problem. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.